Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Any lights in here?
I don't have no lights right now. I used to.
Nice. Yeah, go ahead. There we go. You're good. You have an upgraded alternator? Alternator?
It's eBay 300 amp, but I put diodes on it. So
Okay.
15 when it's cold.
Okay.
Yeah, it's eBay all internally regulated, but I just added diodes and grease it up on a charger.
Yep. So your name and what all's in here, man?
Chris King Hellahurt on TikTok, YouTube, and it's 2012 F150 300 amp alternator, 80 amp hour lithium, MD3K at 1 ohm, 4th order blow-through with 2 Sundown SA15 plastics.
Okay. Yep. Oh, nice.
And that's pretty much about it.
Not a 4th order then, the way you built it, the 4th without the back port?
Yeah.
Okay. I think I've heard this before.
Yeah, it was last year, but it's a little louder now with the wood roof and everything.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Really nice. And you kept your, oh wow.
Yeah, well actually this is, it used to have a big console one here where the headlight, sunglasses.
Yeah.
But this is from the back one. I just moved it to the front, but it works.
That definitely helped, yeah, adding that in. How did you seal your blow-through from the back to the front?
It's got an accordion boot. It's got an accordion boot, and then I just did liquid nail around it, and then I put the board there, and then I spray foamed in between it to seal it all.
Got it.
Really
Yep.
tight. All my cabinets are sealed off.
Nice. All right. And your SPL score?
Like I said, I have pop 151.5 this morning at 27 hertz.
All right. Nice.
See if I can find a good song here. I just put some song on start off with this here, and I'll do something a little bit more
So you were able to have people in the back seat still, or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
I just lose about 4 dBs. It's like 23 hertz.
Wow.
It was like 35. And then you can see I shrunk my port a little bit from last year, so it's a little bit, and then I extended it in the box a little bit more. So
yeah,
it changed.
That port length, area reduction, and length. Got it. That helps your lows. Yep.
It helps the lows a lot.
Yes, sir. Awesome. When you stop moving, flex the roof. That helps so much with pressure control. Oh yeah. Thank you for showing me. Oh yeah. Congrats on the game too. It's always happy to see stuff like that.
I'm supposed to have P-Boys, P-Boys subwoofers.
Yes.
I'm supposed to have William Page supposed to sponsor me. I'm supposed to get some
Okay.
probably some Winston 15s and probably an AK soon. So he's gonna be real nasty.
Oh man.
We'll see what happens. That's kind of why I went ahead and did the wood roof. It put me into the Extreme 4 class.
Really? Oh, okay,
Extreme modified.
That's because you have, But it helps you get louder, so.
Stood at 146.1 at the other end.
Yeah, that's good.
2600 something watts.
Yeah, low wattage.
Right.
Hope y'all enjoyed Chris's full walk around we just got of him at the Summer Showcase 2023 show in Jacksonville, Florida. Be sure to give him a like and comment what you like about his system. Definitely a really good disc system for how it got down for only 3,000 watts and a blow through. And of course, I did get a 2-song demo, so you got to stay tuned. I really like the whole amp layout rack. cooling fan to keep that amp cool, and he's still able to have people come in the back seats for a family-friendly vehicle. So didn't really get a really good close-up of a shot inside of the box. Sorry about that, but it is two 15-inch subs. The SA series, I'm pretty sure they're rated at 1,000 watt RMS, and I like the way it actually has a good amount of port area. He kind of fine-tuned to play the low frequencies down to low 20s really well. And it's amazing to see how much louder you could be just by moving a seat down. So anytime you're driving without people in the back seat, maybe consider putting that trunk seat down or blow-through seat down, and you'll see how much louder you get. So a total of two 15-inch subs on 3,000 watts. We're getting to a 2-song bass demo. I hope you're enjoying the videos so far. Be sure to give them a like and subscribe if you haven't. I do daily car audio videos every day on Jacob Viral. So stay tuned for more videos and check me out on all my social media and enjoy. That did get pretty low though. That one got pretty low.
It goes to like 23 hertz.
Wow.
It was like 35. And then you can see I shrunk my port a little bit from last year, so
yeah.
It's a little bit, and then I extended in the box a little more. So
yeah,
it changed.
The port length, area reduction, and length. Got it. That helps your lows. Yep.
It helped the lows a lot.
Yes, sir. Awesome.
No friends, no relationships. Oh, wait.
Thank you for showing me.
It's a lot better last year. I mean,
When you stop moving, flex the roof, that helps so much with pressure control. Oh yeah. Thank you for showing me. Oh yeah. Congrats on the game too. It's always happy to see stuff like that. I appreciate the demo. Nice to meet you again, man. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobVile when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.